AWS encryption at rest is not consistent, and you're probably making bad assumptions about how it works. When you create an RDS database instance, you give the AWS RDS service itself permission to access your KMS key, and it does the encryption in the background. Then, when a user tries to query the database, it's as if the encryption doesn't exist. The user has no change in experience, yet the data is still encrypted at rest on disk. AWS DocumentDB, Redshift, and Neptune all follow the same model. DynamoDB is mostly the same, except that instead of an instance being encrypted, each table is encrypted individually. What about S3? Well, that's where it gets tricky. Mostly, the caller needs access to the KMS key, and encryption acts as access control. Well, unless you use the default AWS managed keys, then it's all transparent. There's even an option to require all of the key material to be present with each request made to S3. Encrypted EBS volumes, Secrets Manager, and SSM Parameter Store all require the caller to have permission to the KMS key. Yet, backup vaults require the backup service to have access to the KMS key, so they act more like RDS than EBS. Confused? Me too. There are good reasons for all of these modes, but what you need to do is be aware of all the different contexts so you don't make bad decisions about security models. If an auditor asks you, are you using encryption at rest? You can say, yes. But an attacker won't care what's on your audit questionnaire when they're downloading all of your data.